shadows fall and faith feels weak, God's devotion is the strength I seek. He holds me close, He calms my fears. His faithful love wipes away my tears. Through every trial, through pain and strife, His devotion breathes hope into my life. No mountain too high, no valley too low, God's steady love will always show. God's devotion restores faith and hope, a guiding light that helps me cope. In every moment, through dark and bright, His love renews with endless light. When doubts arise and I feel alone, God's devotion reminds me I'm His own. He lifts my heart, He clears my way, bringing new mercies with each new day. His promises stand, they never fail, a steadfast love that will prevail. With every step, I'll trust His hand, guided by grace through His divine plan. God's devotion restores faith and hope, a guiding light that helps me cope. In every moment, through dark and bright, His love with endless light. His love breaks chains, it sets me free, a devotion that lasts eternally. When storms arise and waves grow tall, God's steady hand will catch my fall. Oh, in every season, His love remains. Through every joy and all my pains, with hands uplifted, my heart will sing, thankful for grace His devotion brings. Now as I journey, my faith restored, I walk in peace, trusting the Lord. His devotion surrounds, His strength sustains.